So, sorry, about 7 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, the 14th. Really didn't get much rain overnight. We got maybe another 3/4 of an inch. So we're up to about 2.35 inches for the storm since Thursday. Which certainly is well below their expectations, which I'd say is a good thing. Glad they underestimated it. Oop, got a few little branches out of my palm tree down, but they were all dead anyway, so. They're still saying we're in a pretty big gap in the rain right now. And they're still saying that we could get 4, 5, 6 more inches of rain. I guess we could, but looking at the way it's been moving when it comes on shore towards our area, I don't see it happening. Oh, we lost another one. That branch there, that's another rotted branch that broke out of one of these oak trees. You can see, all these have come down in the past storms. So, nothing major. It's a little wet back here, but not too bad. The pond hasn't even filled up yet, so we really haven't gotten a whole hell of a lot of rain, which again, given the way the models worked, I can't really blame them for losing their minds a little bit, because when you're looking at models saying you're going to be above what we had in 2016, you really need to be warning people, because that was really bad. So, much better, in this case anyway, to get people ready in case. A few little branches here and there. And again, nothing major. Everything else seems to be doing fine. So, that's going to be this morning's update. And hopefully everything stays pretty calm. If we start getting some interesting rain and any of my defenses need to be are actually useful, I'll let you know. But till then, I'll take care.